Hi, I'm Rich Binko. I'm here to help you make an informed decision about choosing a personal injury attorney. At the law office of Richard S. Binko, we prepare every single case as if it's going to trial. Statistically, most will settle, and statistically, most will end up being resolved in a situation where we realize the limitations we have. An example would be a serious injury where there's very limited insurance coverage. So cases like that end up being settled. But if we don't start preparing every case like it's going to be tried and do all the little things that are important quickly, like go out and get pictures of the cars that were involved in the motor vehicle crash, and not just get one or two on a cell phone. We want to get every angle of the car. We want to get every side of the car. We want to get detail of the car. Digital pictures are cheap. You don't have to publish them all. You can put them all on a CD-ROM. If you have 100 of them, that view, that extra 2 or 3 that you took, might be the ones that you decide that at the time of trial you're going to blow those up. So we do that little extra hard work because you just don't know which of the cases you're going to end up having to try. And it's a good practice, and it's worked well for the decades to overwork each file, to not only go out and get the photographs, but to go and get the client's records. They may tell us they may have not had an accident where they hurt their back, but they didn't realize, 15 years ago that they actually did hurt themselves while they were moving furniture or something, because it wasn't anything that plagued them. It was a 1 or 2 time visit to their doctor. So we will go and get all of the doctor's records from the patient, and we will tell the clients what we found, and they may not have even remembered it. It's not, most people aren't dishonest. What happens is if it's very minor, they've completely forgotten about it. But if they're asked a question at trial, did you ever go to a doctor and make a complaint for a back? And they said no, it would be devastating if in fact they had 10 years ago and we just didn't do the work to uncover it for them. So we're very, very thorough, because we don't let anything happen to happenstance. We want to outwork the defense, and we have an advantage. We can outwork them before the case is sued, because they won't know there's a case until it's sued. So there's a lot of things that we need to do before we sue the case. It's critical that we have the lead time, and it's important that people retain us early while we can still get a skid mark picture, while we can still measure that skid mark, while we can still see both vehicles at the impound lot. All of these things will change quickly, in addition to the MV-104A that you have to file with the state of New York within 10 days, the no-fault forms that have to be done within 30 days. Those are all things that allow us to really laser focus our representation and to do all the investigative digging.